I see you. It's okay. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are we all doing? This is Sunday evening, afternoon, depending on time zone. So you can see I'm smiling. So we are going to go through something that is very important. And yesterday was a blessed day, and today will be, of course. Please, anytime you join this broadcast, make sure that you hit that button and comment. Your comment will allow me to know when you join, if you are here or not. So your presence, it matters to us. Very important. So like I said, we are going to discuss a few things. Yesterday was a deliverance day. Deliverance in the sense that many of you that are somehow confused, you managed to get the right thing, and it is good to see what happened. Our brother, I cite you, Reverend Exodus TV. The first person that made a comment here actually is Benjamin McFence. Good morning from here, Benjamin said. And Ike DK is here with us. Good morning, bro. Good morning to you. Ahmad Chigoze, one of us, our good brother. Ndisi Abakolon, I see you. Obina Bros, I see you. Say good morning. Bros, good morning. And I greet you, Obina. King Joe, I see you. Good morning, my wonderful brother, Mr. Kai. I see you. Oyenke Mother. Jerry Okonkwo is here. Good morning from my base. Please keep your good job. We are solidly behind you. That I don't like that. Many of you, I don't believe solidly behind you. Just say that I don't believe that, please, because it have put some people in bondage in the past. Oh, solidly behind you. I can't watch the match. I'm gonna say that to get TP in Kenya. PM also. Some of us. I'm not saying that you are support. No. What I'm saying is that let us just focus on the issue at hand, okay? Hapkan and care something behind you, and because in the Bible, are you live now? Yes, I am. That's a King Joe. And the reference of those Mr. Kai in Dewo, Oyenkem, I see you. Very strong man indeed. Chichi baby, you are a runaway soldier. Where have you been? I don't know what is wrong with you. Where have you been, Chichi baby? And reference also said the Kai TV USB is winning. My brother. That's why you see this smile. This smile is not fake. You. This smile on my face is not being triggered by anybody. It's from above, actually. And what case we can say, God bless you. God bless you, United States of Biafra. What case you can again, God bless and God bless. And what case you can have to give you kudos. You are trying. As I have seen your presence in many platforms. In fact, you are addicted with the truth. Keep it up. Chichi baby, again, what's your name? One King Joey again said from me, for me, you are best journalist in Biafra. That sounds good, but we are formidable. That is from Marcelino. Marcelino, your name sounds like are you a Brazilian or a Mexican? Are you from Mexico? And Chichi baby said the smile is not bad. Okay, but it's from his the energy is from what happened yesterday. Do you understand? And before fundraising yesterday, we are like, let's see how the whole thing will go. All of a sudden, things begin to change. Now let us start properly because I have something to say. You see, yesterday before fundraising, people were like, what is going on? What are we going to do? There's some fear and dust in atmosphere. That fear is not that it is somebody made you to be afraid of anything, but seeing what people are saying and some people that you actually believe they have some element of sense in them begin to yap nonsense, begin to act like something has hit them bad. You see, I started with Biafra National Anthem, right? That anthem is from, I was playing their fundraising, okay, group. And it happened that national anthem started from, it's from that video. I did not just, it's not that I planned to play it, but I was trying to listen to them to see what happened there. And we're going to listen to some of it. I may skip some of the things, and we have something to say. One of the major deliverance to USB happened yesterday. Serious one that many of you may take for granted, but I'm going to punch it out. I will bring it here. And that is why Isocha in France decided to do the needful. In fact, I love her for what she did. You know, as now one for some of us that grew up in the village, you know this small bird that always in the morning you'll be jumping and singing. Even if you make a noise, the bird will keep on talking. Some people call that canary. I don't know what you call it in your dialect. But as no jua for opotamos or chelechi yakamba. Obele no na ho na bo jua for so gini. Ebe ka ndị obodo nọ ya na ebe anya maka onye bụ na obodo no this why na-ekwu okwu na ife mere so ya ga-etipụ ekwuto na ife. Well, that's what happened, and it did not end well. It did not end well. Onye na-amara ebe mmiri so mawe ya ọma mmebe ọ na wee kwụsị ya. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị that na onye na-anọ ebe a na wee nye ozu ọ bụ ebu ya obido n'ụkwụ mana onye Igbo na ebe dị ozi bibi ga-ebido n'isi onye ọka nke bụ onye na-amara onye karịrị ya. Ịmara onye karịrị gị n'ụwa ebe a ka you are the worst has happened to you, because if you know somebody that is better than you, bigger than you, you should be careful the way you talk, the way you act, the way you parade yourself. Someone bragged that she fixed COS to where she is today. That without her, COS is nothing. In fact, Biafran declaration wouldn't have happened. Somebody actually reached out to me and told me that even yesterday, 2 days ago, a day before yesterday, she was bragging that she's better than COS. That the only thing that COS is better than her is English language. Now, onye na-amalụ ịkarịa n'ụwa ịmalụ ịkarịrị gị arụ mere gị. Forget about na na-ekwu Biafra affecting. In normal life, day-to-day activities, if you don't know what is bigger than you, you are dead for it. You are just buying yourself. Anything can happen to you. Oye ju ukwu enene mmiri osimiri. Ịnọgide wolu tie na mmiri osimiri. Ma ọ bụrụ ka gịnị? Ọ bụrụ mmiri agụghị nọ na ya. Crocodile. Can you use your leg to test if crocodile is active or not? You see just maybe small water like that, and you decided to use your leg to test if that crocodile, maybe you know that crocodile, and probably they put, sideboard or side post, danger, beware of crocodile. And you think that, it's an animal, you can't do me, I'm a human being, I'm a strong man, I can boss, I can kick. Then you want to test that with your leg. Let it be a very big lesson to many of us. Now, what I can do ndị nwe nne na nna na ebe a na-enyefe ahụ ndụmọdụ wee na-amụrụ ife. You don't need to wait until your father and mother will be resurrected before you start thinking like a person. Everything started by pride and brag. A homie, do you know me? I am this, I am that. The whole thing was like, people begin to panic, It could be this woman, maybe this woman is very strong and like, this broadcast is not about her, but I want us to begin to learn something from what is going on. Even your personal life. Don't just wait until your father begin to wake you up and tell you, do this. Ada chaloye my moto. Amaka na mife na osobro. Oboton chabo ya naka. Let us go. Because I can see that many of us are happy. If you're happy, say praise the Lord. Oh God.
Biafra. Good evening to our friends and well-wishers who love what we are doing, who support the template of the Biafran government in exile under the leadership of the Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Greetings to the international world who have hearkened to our voices in different ways and manners and have done the needful. We are on the path of the total liberation of the United States of Biafra and the recognition of the United States of Biafra. Let me start by welcoming all our brothers and sisters that have returned back to BRGIE since after the convention. You're all welcome, and we implore all of you to continue doing.
Now this is when this is when she kicked the bucket. This is the introduction when they are trying to baptize her to a new environment. And like I said, as she's knocking at the door all this week, all these days, I told her that it will end up this way, right? And finally it has happened. You know what? That is a very big deliverance to USB. And I will tell you why. Let us continue. Just have patience. Because we are not ending this broadcast as quick as we may think. But it is good for you to follow us at this early stage. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay?
What you have seen us done since after the convention. Because after the declaration, I have two things that are very, very important to us. The liberation of the United States of Biafra. The recognition of the United States of Biafra. The recognition of the United States of Biafra is dependent on the total delegitimization of the existence of the occupational terrorists in Biafra land. So, in proxy, the recognition of the United States of Biafra is dependent on the liberation of the United States of Biafra in the homeland. So, it is incumbent on all of us to make our voices heard in the international community by amplifying the strength and the power of the liberation in the homeland. If we do not liberate the homeland, nobody will take us serious in the international communities. The ball is in our court. Let's keep our disunity and hatred to each other aside, and let's keep aside.
And this is Sonak, but I was trying to boost the morale of Ada, that the repentant she used to call people Boko Haram. So I don't know who repented now, who actually decided to do what Boko Haram normally do, what Boko Haram love to do. It's not repent, I think. But let us finish the baptism, because Sonak Barawa, the chief priest, is baptizing her with the water of Sodom and Gomorrah. Anyway, let's continue.
Aside, and let's put Biafra first to be our main cause of the day.
I'm not gonna let's take it.
Those that have sacrificed.
Let's forget about this. This is I don't know who. Now this is when I don't know who begin to do what she know how to do. But I was actually trying to see how much she donated, because she told us that she's gonna go to California and start digging head in the pocket of people forcefully to donate, to make sure that because of the is put to shame. And on our attempt to put her to shame, a lot happened. Somebody actually, one of our sister and our brother actually, recorded some part of this broadcast, this fundraising, and sent it to me. Unfortunately, it's not clear. Had it been that video happened to be clear, I would have just posted it raw the way it is, because it's quite funny. 8 minutes, some seconds of that record. You know, she used her phone, recording her TV, and sent it to me. So when after doing that, he sent it to me. If you see, in that 8 minutes, this guy was busy. Any hand, raise your hand up, raise your hand up, raise your hand up. Only one person that collected 2 kobo, 1 kobo from somewhere else, and he was there trying to tell them this is amount. At the end of it all, 300 and something agent, they said, in 80 minutes, go and check USB fundraising. This is to tell you, I'm not here to mock anybody actually, because I know they will say, oh, this guy is mocking us, mocking money that we are donating for BLA, to trying to say, I think maybe trying to say that I don't want people to donate for BLA. I always say here, donate anywhere you want to donate, but let your common sense lead you. And truth, one thing Biafra, as Igbo people, but when you say Biafra, actually it's all about Igbo people, to be honest. Igbo people are looking for 2 things. One, truth, before even freedom. That's the mistake they're making. They are looking for the truth before freedom, because they know in the truth, the freedom lies. These people think that Igbo people are looking for freedom before the truth. You have to give them truth. Then they will not see if freedom will come from you. Every genuine Igbo person understands the fact that first thing they are looking for is truth before freedom. But they are pretending they're giving you freedom while showing you that they don't have truth. That is why it is difficult for them to convince a reasonable and sensible Igbo man. You don't bring freedom without truth. It's not possible. Propaganda is part of the game, but there's a limit of everything. You can only run propaganda on your opponent, not with indigenous people, real people that you claim they're fighting for freedom for them. And immediately you start cutting and joining picture. Go and check all the posts of PM from A to Z. He have never for once cut and like bring Chike doesn't picture, cut it off, put a cheap basin, you know, that kind of thing. He did not do that. Not because he don't have access to do it better. He have people that can help him to do it professionally. They can do that. But PM never spent time to do that kind of nonsense. COS now is not doing that. Says he's not telling anybody, cut this. Biafrans that are doing it are just giving them their own food. What you guys think that people are so dumb to believe on? We can also do it. That's why some people will take time, cut stand up our picture, put Oyara, put his face. People are doing it in their own free time. Not that USB have time to go and do it for me. So no. PM did not do the same thing. PM did not do the same thing. Now, ask yourself, what do you think that they're doing that thing for? They are doing cut and join, believing that giving you falsehood, pretending they're giving you freedom without having any truth in them. That there's no way you will not fall for them. That's their belief. Simply meaning that it simply means that they don't even know who they are fighting freedom for. Because first and first, you have to understand the kind of people that you are dealing with, what they can believe, what they may not believe. You don't just pretend that you are giving them what you don't have. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. They know when you are serious with them. They know when you are playing game with them. If you want live from now till tomorrow, what you are doing, Biafrans are not going to pay attention. Like I said, they are looking for truth before freedom, not freedom before truth. Which one are you giving? You see the balance? If they are sensible enough, they should understand that what I'm telling them now, what I'm saying now, is a way to be relevant. When Mahatma said that our people are very loving people, they will love you with everything in them. There is no tribe. I'm not boasting. There is no tribe in Nigerian state as it is today that know how to show love than Igbo people. No tribe. All you need to do, show them that you are genuine. That is the truth. That you are real. They will do everything. If Master Namana can come out today, after testing, after having been tested and trusted, he asked for $1 before. Nobody pay much attention, isn't it? If he dare come out now, if he asks for $1, people will give 10. That is what they just want you to prove to them that you are what you say that you are. Then wait and see the level of the love. Now it seems like I'm talking too much. Let's go back to the issue at hand.
The arrogance has made this man the governor of Enugu. So what do you think is going on? He made this man not just that the whatever is of Enugu state is letting the Fulani is coming. Can you imagine when two of them be here? Do you think we will have an land? That will let you guys know more about what we are telling you, that Ngozi is not fighting for Biafra. She does not care about Biafra. All she is thinking is how to hand us over. You remember that Ngozi said that the way to do it is to train Biafrans, to train them so that they can go and fight themselves. So that's what Ngozi is doing by taking over, creating her own army, Biafrans, and then using them to fight us. So I want us to know, I'm saying this, cut this out so that Ngozi will get, so that she knows that we know that she's liaising with Organiru Biafra, who blocked. But this was with Maureen, the words of Maureen, was that they took him out. Now, the man, when you hear him speak, you can hear Hausa accent. So he's over there. So I just want to bring this out. Know this and let it go viral. Another thing is that there's some I said let's stop using curse words. He is called Biafra Superstars. I'm calling him, I'm saying Biafra Superstars. Who don't get Biafra down? If I don't know who got white. Biafra Superstars. For you to have a bias, just I don't know. Because I'm 72 years old. I can't speak about sticks and groundnuts. You don't know that Golda was once raining. But none of them. So you should speak about the sticks and groundnuts. You should keep my mouth shut. You should be the man. I want to tell you, Biafra Superstars, that these minds don't discuss people. They discuss events. These small minds. And you seem to think you've gone to school.
But please, I just want to say something. Does it mean that these people don't have family members? I mean, they don't have siblings or children. Is it their children or their kindred? Are they not on social media at all? Sometimes, and they are making a mistake, believing that everybody to them is a battle between them and COS. That's what they believe. Some of them actually think that what they're saying is they're addressing CS. Immediately somebody begin to lead and have the mandate of people. I'm not talking about the mandate of cabinet member or cabals. An average reasonable Igbo person begin to think. You will the person have the spirit of or trust of people. I mean, you will see that people actually relied on what that person is saying. So you are attacking the person, you should make sure that you are well prepared. The attack and the insult on PM then was a very big mistake of DOS. Please, somebody actually said something here. I don't know if how am I gonna bring this out? Whitey seized it, but I'm gonna read it out. Your name is Oyema Uchechukwu Ndure. I think I have seen your name in the past. He said, "Kai, you are you are evil." He said, "Kai, you are evil." You know that Ngozi Oraveze is not capable to handle this mantle, but because of your stupidity, you are supporting Ngozi Odabueze. Kai, honestly, you are a deceiver, and shame on you. My brother, let me start by that last word, shame on you. Shame we shall follow you and your lineage. You see, as long as you pronounce it, shame will be with you in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night, even in the midnight. And it must transfer to your seventh generation. So that in your next word, you will know that you don't come to people and yap nonsense. Do you understand me? Since you want to launch yap nonsense, control your tongues. If I'm a deceiver, why don't you? I put my number here for a reason. I did not put number here for fun, like to decorate the screen. No. The number is here for you to call, interrupt me, tell me those things that I said, so that the whole world will listen. You don't just put comment and run away. Be man enough. Since you are truth, in fact, you preach truth, right? Call here. Let us talk gently, calmly. Let us learn from you. Tell me that part that I have said something bad. Truth is like a pregnant woman. You don't cover it. Do you understand me? You don't cover it. I made a video here many times. I warn many of us. If you are following me, don't come here and comment, don't lay curse on me or trying to lay curse on me, because I will multiply it million times and send it back to you. So that your next word, you will, before you talk, you think. You think I don't know how to come here and do propaganda? I can do propaganda, run it very well. And I have more followers here. People will be clapping and listening, enjoying that. It will be too fun. The only people that are following here are people who are hungry for the truth. People who actually want sensible people. They are the ones following here. Apart from the few mushrooms commentators like you, who just come and perch, like, how fly perches on palm wine. That kind of just perch or green. You just perch and run away, perch and run away. But you cannot solidify your comment. You only want to commit nuisance in the name of comment. You are telling me shame on me for committing what offense? Did I take your money? Did I drag your wife with you? What is that thing that I said? Even if something that I made here, I will tell you allegedly that it is still a rumor. For example, somebody told me that Chiamaka Jerry is building houses, and the person actually said it on the public, on one of our public broadcasts here, that Sana Parawa is doing the same thing. Did you see me running a program to preach that, to amplify that? Why? Because it is not well clear, or I don't have enough evidence to do that. But I allowed that thing to remain as a rumor as it is, because I don't believe in doing propaganda to bring people down. No. If I want to bring you down, I will use your own comment, your own post, to tell people this is what you said, this is what I find. Then reasonable people will make up their mind. I don't impose word on anybody, like many of you do. When people preach truth, you don't want that truth to go on. Instead of you to welcome that, what you do, you start telling people, come to Biafra land, hand will touch you. Your fellow Biafran. You'll be dreaming on how to hear Aja. And yet you are looking for freedom. You care for people. What kind of human being are you? Anyway, because I have not even touched what brought me here, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna jump some of these things that I don't know who is yapping. At her age, like I said, her children should do better. Her children should do better. Let's hear from here.
Continue opening the box, so don't stop.
Now, this is when your lovely this is the first statement. Let me see what Sana, because Sana was talking about continue opening the box. Let us go take it back a bit to know the boss. Because Sana, after telling us, anyway, let me just keep it there. Let's hear from here. Let's see.
You see the receipt for the
Just calm
700.
down. Just calm down. Let's see, because I tried to skip it. It's not.
Yes,
It having some issues.
I sent it to you this morning. I've already paid in the $10 should be the interest for that blood money sitting in my account. No, we know you don't get that money. You can't get $10 on 700. Otherwise, everybody will be putting their money. So I'm going to round it up to 700 from 690. So
Doneskelo said, you don't know what you have done to it. This is how they roll. What I have done, if you are dreaming of harming me, my dear, you will be rolled down to 6 feet. I swear to God. The God of creation will chase you and you are hiding. Some of you are like, I be careful. If I'm here to defend evil, like you said, if I'm here to defend evil or to support evil knowingly, then what you are saying shall come to pass. But if not, you will taste that food that you are cooking, whether you like it or not, and you will taste it within 7 days. When are you going to Nigeria through force? Hamstrom deleted it. Let me see. When are you going to Nigeria through Europe flight? This is how it is. Look at it. So now, this one now is okay. Group. This is not Nigerian government. You pay This is not Nigerian government. These people are more dangerous than the Nigerian government. They are more dangerous than Nigerian government. You see, the reason why many people are scared of saying the truth or educating our people, exposing lies, is because of them. Because they are so desperate to make money, to build company, to invest, to do this and to do that. And this is how they roll. I am not here to tell you what I'm not aware of. This is not the first time they are preaching, trying to make it look like they know what I'm saying. They always have a way of lying and threatening lives. Even look at the one called Royce. Was busy also threatening Kelena TV. Who knows that the Royce himself is not even that the guy is just broadcasting, creating. Even up to this day, he have not come out to do anything. Anyway, I don't know if he's army or not, but at least for Gentle to say that what he said means a lot. Okay? Anyway, let's continue. Just pay attention to what this people said here.
So everybody that wants to buy the devil signed.
Armstrong, I see you. I have to send my greetings to you. You are very special to us. Thank you for your time. I see you. I didn't want to skip that.
He autographed the 7 and 6 left. One isn't autographed. You go and pay in $100 into the Biafran government, send me a receipt, and then I will see about mailing it to you. So this is what I need to do. And there's somebody who gave me $100. There are people who will be coming in on their own. But some people were calling me. I was sending them the website, telling them it's not difficult to do. If you can, then call me. I'll walk you through. If you can't do number 2, then number 3. I'll take the money from you, pay and give you your receipt. So somebody paid in 700 to me. Wise one, you will see that receipt too. So altogether, this money, 800 is coming in. That's what I have.
California, working up. Thank you. I don't know. Wow.
I don't know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
Nice way to go.
Thank you.
Thank
you. When I say you are the CID of Onyendu and Magistrate for the person who don't know, you were still playing this game all along with this money seated down.
It's all good. It's only good.
The whole thing. Okay.
So, I went over to, yeah, and I recognized them. I don't need more than they get it.
Now, we have reached the part that I want you to pay attention. Let us hear how that was introduced and rebaptized. Okay, let's continue.
Thank you for falling back to the BRGI. We appreciate your work. Continue opening the Pandora box. We want you to continue to open the Pandora box. Continue open the Pandora box. Open all those boxes. Let all the canker worms come out. Continue opening all of them.
Yes. Onye nduzi gbaa ọtọ n'ime ahịa. Oh yeah. Yes.
Say hi to Biafrans around the moon and continue opening the box, so don't stop.
I miss this voice.
The another Shrirat Nkapi is here called Daberechi Davis Wokoro. He said you are finished, and from today you are finished. From today henceforth you are finished in everything good. Okay? As long as you mention that on my own platform, it will bounce back on you a million times. All of you, these are people protecting you. These are people protecting you, fighting for freedom, wishing you heaven on earth. As you are much interested in looking for life to take, you will lose your own life. That one is the God of nature. I'm not gonna do anything to you. If you are not only me, anybody, if you're fighting anybody, the same thing will be your portion. That's all I can tell you. If I've ever dreamed of taking your life or wishing bad to you, then it will manifest. But if not, you will eat that food that you are cooking, whether you like it or not. Let me leave it there. Please don't call yet. Let us finish this before you start calling, okay?
Because now, what if the car go to was very important. Ejimola when I say Unyon and Major, Unyon and Major, wow. Because Nandeba na ifemero, if I am, and all the Panamaki ifeme, Guy will a maloney.
What's wrong?
I am asked that if a man, Abaya,
Minister Sunny was saying,
who could be your translator now? So use broken so that everybody go understand you. Use broken.
But translate and later, make it flow.
No, leave Ada. Ada can speak everything.
Yes, if you want to.
If I don't speak for her,
You can say it.
you can say it. You know why I wanted to use broken. That every 40 state of Biafra will get your message. So that people will not say, let somebody translate for me, and then they will give a wrong translation. So use broken. So everybody will get it.
I greet every one of us here, all Biafrans, men and women. I will say that are my enemy because I don't have any enemy. Hence, I'm concerned, Biafra is the only enemy we have is Zuko, the most of whether they like it or not, or with all their agents. All of them must go down. So I use this opportunity to beg all my sisters and brothers. You know, for over 3 months now, everything is going back and front. We just take our time, the only time that we have to take, put our home together and fight for our freedom. We use that time and fight each other and destroy each other and destroy each other's name, which is very bad. We say that enough is enough. The only thing that I know that the truth must be told, whether they like it or not. So I use this opportunity to call all my people, all Biafrans, please, all of us must come together. Fall back for the house that Obatobie left for us before he moved. So that if Obatobie comes back, he will see us in that house together with one mind and one love. Please, the most important now is not who is in charge or who is the chairman or who is the chairman. No, the most important now is to defend our land. Our land. First of all is our land. If we don't get our land, no Biafra. We must get our land before we get Biafra. Because if we get Biafra, we must have a land to go with it. If you get Biafra, but the Fulani have to take over and occupy your land, where are you going to go? If you speak, where are you going to go? If you people see what is going on now, honestly, I'm not happy about it. If you see the people in charge, somebody who calls herself DPM, see the kind of people that she surrendered herself with. She surrendered herself with the Fulanis. Everybody work with this woman is a Fulani terrorist. If you see this organization Biafra, because I had when Mama Biafra, I don't know, is talking about this thing, organization Biafra. Organization Biafra used to be governor for this terrorist group called USN, because I will call the USN. I will leave B, because when you put B, you put Biafra, but when you put N, you put Nigeria, because it's what it is. So if you watch all of them is the Fulanis. Organization Biafra is a Fulani, 100% a Fulani man. This man start work at the DPN, Madam Ngozi Olabese, employed this woman December. Since December, go to Enugu State, see what is going on in Enugu State. Since December, this man she made her a governor. It's not only that. There is many things going on. Many things. The cleaners get the people. Everything is going upside down. For this woman, take care, Caterpillar, everybody know Caterpillar, Ikenguru and others. Sapele and one man called GK again. All of them are Fulanese, rejected by Biafran government in exile, read by Robert Obie. But this woman bring all of them back. So please, Biafrans, I call every one of us, you people should come and join Biafran government in exile. Why I'm here today? Because I must be here. Nobody forced me and nobody will force me. I know what I do, what I did is the right thing to do. If you really like Biafra, you must be here. And all that your money that you donate for you donate the other side, they use the money and build Ebubag and others to give your people. Please come and please give this money here. Our Biafra Liberation Army, I got an angel. We need to equip them. Robert Obie said that if we declare Biafra, we will defend it. I don't see any defend. Our angels, they are trying. Please, they have come out many times, say that their money was getting by Biafran government in exile. Please, I call up every Biafrans to come and donate so that we are going to equip our angels so that our angels will do the needful and continue to protect. We do the needful and continue to protect our land. If not, our land will. If not, we're going to lose our land by the flying herdsmen. I thank every one of you.
Okay, we are still playing that, just that the video somehow hanged. So just wait a moment, let it return. I'm trying to make sure that I play everything without interrupting her. She's passing a very vital information so that you see the reason why you need to fall back. Okay, you have to fall back. Very, very important. Let's continue. And I'll hold on to again. Good opening video, good man. Okay. Somebody said that I regret all the time that wait, let me bring that comment again. He said you regret listening to this woman here. That is from Ifai Okoye. I honestly regret listening to this woman. Such is life. Such is life. Please like the video. We are 160 something watching live.
I say, may God bless.
Please like the video, like the video, okay?
All of us, I keep all of us.
What's not getting? Shall you go? Okay.
I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Wow. Thank you.
Okay, that is the first part. Now let us hear this. When just a moment.
Vice President, can get this? I just got to one way, charge
Or rest 5 days to the convention. He's bringing out bills and calling the finance minister. Finance minister, call a meeting. Let us see how we offset these bills. So that before we come to Finland, we will not stay outside. So that they will not cancel the contract. Because the company had threatened that if we don't pay up the bills to
Why is he hanging? Why? You need to finish the talk now.
total, even other than
Again? No, I don't think so.
they will refund it entire money. And all of you will not make it to the convention again. Or you get to the convention and then everybody will stay outside and will say that the convention will not hold.
I don't know why it's hanging. I'm trying to refresh it so that it will start. It will be very, very smooth.
Between the man that stood while Uche is disturbing him every time, we come to
No, start from the beginning.
But we were vice president. Can I get this? I check out one way, charge a bed.
sleep or rest 5 days to the convention. He's bringing out bills and calling the finance minister. Finance minister, call a meeting. Let us see how we offset these bills so that before we come to Finland, we will not stay outside, so that they will not cancel the contract, because the company had threatened that if we don't pay up the bills total, even if, then they will refund the entire money. And all of you will not make it to the convention again. Or you get to the convention and then everybody will stay outside and say that the convention will not go. Between the man that stood while Uche is disturbing him every time, we come to the meeting, the madam cancelled the meeting and said the meeting cannot hold because she's the one in charge. The finance minister cannot come and hold meeting to update the house about the finance. But Uche is crying that we need to do it so that we can offset this.
Okay. Now, another part. Just a moment.
Every day, Ghana meeting. Accounts work. Every day, meeting. Accounts work. Every day, meeting. Accounts work. For 4 times, this idiot for a meeting. Accounts which are COS counts 1 year. While in a COS, for a meeting before 5 times. Either 4 or 5 times. Continue like this. Man come to 100% sure okay will not. Before I get Finland, will not for a meeting. They make it the put a letter. So because one day the letter get why would I go and a phone call at a meeting? Or be a meeting. So all can see how one causing the meeting, all counts wrong, get it all. What's the idea? Or you want to start that when I see the guy? I was there. After getting the child letter, each way the government overthrow. So don't want to not come on the culture in your Canada. Hello?
That can confirm when he is.
Okay.
Can confirm because I was there as well.
Okay.
I was there. All the whole effort, COS, to bring Oki the meeting. Oki was not responding on the phone here. More than 4 times, the cabinet, all the whole cabinet members were saying, okay, their official letter inviting him to come to talk to us. This man did not respond to anything.
3 days, Ghana meeting. Accounts work every day. Meeting. Accounts work every day.
Before convention, okay, can I refuse to come to me? After convention, how many times can I refuse? The next thing on the table, my success must have up here. Yes, when you say condition that man, for even COS called a private meeting, he refused. He said, okay, Terry was giving condition that for him to come to the meeting, the success must be there as well, giving order who is to come and who is not to come. Is it the duty of commentator to do so? Who do he think he is?
Okay.
He was just a simple finance minister. And I sent you the memo. The memo has I sent the governor and this year was that man. I sent the memo. They wanted to overthrow
about meeting. Accounts for 4 times. This idiot.
We can say that they will start showing you burning vehicles now, telling you that the man on ground is working. Anyway, that one is a security issue. I don't want to say anything about that. But my own, you see, why they are angry, I don't even know why. Because I'm not the one, this is somebody's video. And you guys are what? My own is to remind you of this video and hear what the person is saying now. Anyway, God, Chineke, anyway, let's go because we still have one or two to touch. Okay. Please, I will tell you when you start calling. Okay, not now. Just wait a moment. I want to get some things out before then. You need to bring this thing out so that you can connect the dot properly.
150 million. Kenya okay, each will stop. But who not stop Hana? Each will stop Biafran declaration. Ega Wobelego. Good woman, and this declaration I mean a very big issue. Now, oh, I wake Biafrans. Let us now I'm about Biafran government. You people should sit up because that's now I break her into two. 200 million. We go get kill a con with the Nigerian government. Young Makoya and the UCJ. Young all these 20 million Kobatonian as such a question. And with okay, kill it. Okay, kill Makosi name and a time is coming. A young put everything. I just hope that go here. Time and Nadia, where you could gas this 200 million as because okay, Alberto doesn't handle any account at all. And the Malano is like no batopie, when we get this our sister, Chiana got account by force. Or now monitor what is going on in that account. Okay, can scam our government, the Afghan government with the okay, can scam Nigerian government 200 million by the name of the Afghan government. I understand. And the Indian you can tap it when they Robert Toby down. And Robert Toby will come out. Who you defend it? All the accusation meaning Nigerian government with that. Robert Toby beat all of them. And governors there and the Putin and that now it will come out with this fraud of 200 million. 200 million. One of us in all get you address when off my I shine if I go all the cigaro, Ega go on a quite post. Soon and I have a property of how many billion that Biafra land. One of get that person of property of so 100.
Am I the one that said this thing? So why are you angry? Am I the one? Anyway, okay, there's something I want to just a moment, okay. Some people are very, very angry. If you're angry, just calm down. Just calm down, okay. It doesn't. Yeah, I did not do anything to force anybody. You understand? This is just a moment.
Okay.
You guys come on here. They are telling Adando that she cannot run away from okay. Because they have put her picture alongside. You know, look at Adando, look at okay, look at Vam, look at Barawa. They have put her among us and they said she should go and join. Go and join your okay. Go and join your okay. Okay, let us listen to this now.
Okay. No, thank you very much. Thank you. don't know. Okay. Okay,
Hey, now this love is strong. Hey, easy. How do you know? Okay.
I try to cover myself.
Hey, this love too sweet. Oh, I try to cover myself. You come and open me up. You come and open me. I try to cover myself. Hey, okay.
Okay, may God bless you.
Hey, okay. Hey, okay. This love is too sweet. Oh, very sweet love. They are just telling her, look, you cannot run away from okay. You must go back to okay. Huh? You go nowhere. Okay, you must enjoy your okay. I greet you all of us of freedom. My name is Rafa Chabaka, aka Lukata Barawa. They have put her among us and they said she should go and join. Go and join your okay. Hey,
Oh God.
go and join your okay. Okay, let us listen to this now.
Okay. No, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Okay. In the future, I don't know. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
In the future,
hey,
okay.
now this love is strong. Oh. Hey, a big easy.
How do you know?
How do you know?
Okay.
Okay.
I try to cover myself.
Hey, this love too sweet. Oh, I try to cover myself. You come and open me up. You come and open me. I try to cover myself. Hey, okay.
Okay, may God bless you.
Hey, okay. Hey, okay. This love is too sweet. Oh, very sweet love. They are just telling her, look, you cannot run away from okay. You must go back to okay. Huh? You go nowhere. Okay, you must enjoy your okay. I greet you all of us of freedom. My name is Rafa Chabaka, aka Basavam. By the grace of God, I am the Deputy Minister of Communications, Biafra Republic Government in Exile, and I also double as the armor bearer of the Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. The one, okay, calls by the name Obatoge. I greet you. Wolu Friday, I see you. Samuel Otoyo, I see you.
Please just wait before you start calling, okay? We're almost there. Just wait, okay? I can see million. You say, why block me? Block you? What is your name, please? I did not block you. What is your name? Or are you... What did you put in the comment before? Just... I see somebody send me a message and he's calling. Just a moment before you continue. Let me know his problem. Hello? Hello? Yeah. What is your name, bro? Greetings to you.
I just
What is your
that you blocked me. I don't know why.
What is your name?
Nelson Mark.
Yeah?
It's Nelson Mark. You blocked me on comment section. I don't know why.
Nesting Mark.
Yes, Nelson Mark.
No, I did not block you. Why will I block you? Next, I did not block you.
search on all these things. It's coming that I've blocked.
Nelson Mark.
Yeah.
No. You did not do anything. Nelson Mark. Okay. You are not blocked. You are being timed out by one of my moderator. Maybe you put something. I can see it here. Armstrong will time you out. He did not block you. He just time you out. What did what did you do? You must have put something that made him to time you out. I'm not the one that blocked you. It's from my moderator. I can see that Nelson Mark was timed out by Armstrong for. My brother, you are not gonna comment now. It will take a long time. What did you put? What is the comment actually? Let me see the comment. I can't see the.
Okay, it's because I said somebody is still supporting that woman, which is somebody that make call that
Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Somebody was supporting that person that calling her, still supporting her up till now.
Okay. Very sorry about that. Maybe he made a mistake by timing you out. You are not blocked. It's just that it will take some seconds. It will take about 86k, that's 6,000 seconds. So I don't know how many hours it's gonna be, but just if you don't worry. When I open the line, you will call. You can just make your contribution. Okay, just be watching. I'm sorry about it. Are we good? Hello. Okay. So sorry about that, my brother. Maybe Armstrong maybe he made a mistake there because he's the one that timed me out. Anyway, let's continue. Eco Toye, I think I have you here. Okay, no, not Abbas. Yes. Thank you for your explanation. Sorry, Mr. Mark. Eco Toye, I would like you to call on this program because that happened to be you are more closer to her than anybody here. I would like to hear from you about the current event. Someone actually told me that you are the one sharing my videos. Each of my videos you share it to her. So I would like to hear from you on that aspect as well. If you want to share, you share. But I just want to know because you cannot be here and there. It doesn't make sense to me. So I would like to hear from you on that. Triple M is here. My brother, where have you been? All of you that ran away, you guys that run away from me, you are here today. Maybe because I'm here. Freeman is a double face. That's why I want to hear from him. Freeman, I want to hear from you. I'm not the kind of person that knows rumor. I want to hear from you man to man, please. Because someone told me that you are the one sharing my videos to her. Okay, and I would like to hear your own part of the story. Who is the person? If you are still here. No, not this one. There's something I want to play here. I hope I will locate it before I will now bring a post that somebody made.
Again,
Okay, I think I don't have the audio now. I think I don't have it now. Let me see. Mazkai TV is laughable. Laughable video. I don't know what you mean by that. Honestly, I don't really know why I'm having issue trying to comment on your live programs. Really, but you are here now. It has been very long that I did not hear from you, my brother. Triple M.
This is first time I drop my voice. this will be the last time I drop on my voice.
Okay, since I'm unable to locate that audio, let us go to this post.
Yes, okay.
Yesterday, before the fundraising yesterday,
I'm on aside content.
Remedios made a post, and I would like to read that post for you to see. Then after reading it, do the analysis, okay, on your own. The reason is because it is self-explanatory. It is self-explanatory, and that's why I'm not gonna say much. In fact, I'm gonna flip the camera so it will not be as I'm the one cooking up the story. So this is the person that made a post. You can read, okay. So let us read this post together. All Biafrans lovers of goodwill, and lovers of Biafran liberation must go and donate money for the Biafran liberation right now in BRGIE. From Remedios, so that is the account men on the ground said they used to collect money, not the account that after donating money, it will end up with Ikenga, Uruago. Now, some of you don't understand finally I'm getting the real information. Let me flip the camera. Freeman is here. He said, now listen, because him and even a program, but he can again. You guys have turned from Freeman. You guys have turned the Biafran struggle to laughing jackass. Are you getting the point? You guys have turned the struggle to laughing jackass. That's why I want to hear from you. Meaning that everything they told me about you is true. You come, because each time you want, like this broadcast now, Adama will use it now to do broadcast. And you are his informant. Nah, what if I'm the possible no one can ban on here? Rape men, if you're a man enough, what people do is this. You like to eat something, be proud of that thing. That is why, as of now, for example, at this point in time, I respect Chiamaka Adjere, Sona Marawa, Vision 555, even though Genkrem, more than all of you, Biafra Unite, all of you know yourself. This thing that is going on now, I don't like it. Then what's the solution? I don't like it. Let men on ground be working. Okay, what do you think that you must do to make men on ground to start working? I don't like cooking. I don't like COS. I just want men on ground. Let us be donating money to men on ground. Okay, what is the way to donate money to men on ground? That account that men on ground are using, let us donate money there. Okay, meaning donate money to Ogenkere. No, I don't trust Ogenkere. Just donate money to men on ground. People that claim they know the problem, but to come out as like a man, offer solution, you can't do it. You'll be jumping from pillar to pole. This your comment example. The way you behave is shocking. It's shocking, to be honest with you. I can't believe that you are not a kid, you're a matured man looking at, I have seen your video. Your program with Zumes once at a time. I saw you there. You were there live. I think, at least I've seen how you look. But the way you behave is shocking. You see, Chiamaka from day one knows what he wants and stand up. That's what men do. If he want to change, he will change for like when he changed before. He will come out but this idea of I'm not here, I am not here, but your own is to come out and blame everybody and go back. Come out and blame everybody and go back. come out and blame everybody and go. And stylishly, you are sending some videos and clips to the people that you actually love. You, Biafra Unite, Remedios, Ada is not better than you people. Somehow, she have actually made her stand yesterday. She's better than you. Even when I say you guys have done, me for example, does my word count in the decision of what is going on? Have you seen anybody that sits at home because I say sit at home? Or that you donate money because I say God donate money? No. What I do is to analyze. I'm not here, I'm not one of any member or anything. Last week, you appeared on a program of, I think I was having a program with Exodus TV. Definitely Exodus TV. You were there. They throw this on you, your face. You started, no, you are not. That what you are saying, you are sounding somehow. Somebody actually called me and said something. And that our brother is calling as I'm talking now. Let us hear from him. I don't want to pick on that, but because of him, because I know you are listening. Because we are here to, you only here to call this video and send it to the people and step back and pretend. My brother, continue. You're on air, continue.
My I report. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Ibe prophet. Ibe prophet. Continue. You have the floor.
Okay, my brother. Guy.
I can hear you.
Now I know that there is a woman being that they are very, very confused human beings who don't have a word of their own. I was looking at this, honestly speaking, that idiot woman that is staying in France is idiot. It's not a matter of insult.
Okay.
Idiot is not the cause. Because idiot, the meaning of idiot is the person that inability to reason well. That woman is inability to reason well. Which one? Hashem, they shame me. When I look at this woman, honestly, I did not watch it too. But the voice that is just, as he's shouting out about Obie, that woman is a demon in pulpit. Demon in pulpit. Now, I want to ask some people that is used to follow her, because I do follow her. In fact, I call myself a stupid human being by following this idiot. I'm a stupid. I regretted why I started listening to this woman. I'm telling you nothing but the truth, my brother. What is other impact to make sure that Biafra, we have our freedom. Our own impact to grow our page. Our own impact to use strategy to grow our page. Our own impact to be doing saga 24 hours. Our own impact is to reap from Biafras. And I am very sorry for the people that is still listening and following her. This
Truly.
Deceive. And some of our people who have sense, who have common sense, still not understand the light and darkness. I want to ask them, look at what COS said yesterday. COS said he have discovered that majority that is coming to this agitation is to make ourselves rich. Hungry people. He said, it's not that poor people, that we don't have reasonable poor people. We have. But the people that is in this agitation, there are people that want to reach their pocket. Where are we going? I don't know. They don't have what to give Biafra. They don't have how to move forward. A word or to do things to move forward. What they have in that table to talk about Ngozi or Abeze. Every day they sit down, na nice Ngozi or Abeze. Na nice her footstep. Na nice how she drink water. Na nice how she rent over in Finland. She is capable to rent over. She is capable to buy car. Why is Adam bringing that to us? Because he have personal issue with the person. If you have personal issue to the person, it doesn't mean that the whole Biafra has personal issue with the person.
Truly.
I can have personal issue with you, it doesn't mean that we are bad man.
It will be between me and you.
Yes, it doesn't mean that you are bad man. Because you agree and I disagree.
That's all.
It doesn't mean that I will come and start broadcasting that you are evil, you are decent. Ngozi Odabeze is not a Funani when the PM make him COS. Ngozi Odabeze is not a Funani when PM send him to South Korea. Ngozi Odabeze is not a Funani when he declared Biafra, when everybody was confused, when everybody don't know where to go, where to come, so we don't know where to do, what to do. She stood and stand. Redeclare Biafra. She's not a Fulani.
My brother.
Ngozi Odabeze is not a Fulani when she lead the protest to go and protest in Finland. Ngozi Odabeze is not a Fulani. Now Ngozi Odabeze is a Fulani. When you look at the people that is the cabinet, the people that is what did you call it? Imported. That is not reasonable. That is looking for their own to reach themselves. He said, this is not going to happen to my own time. If in now they cannot tolerate it, if in Samareba tolerate it, I in Ngozi Odabeze, I will not tolerate it. It's not a bad thing. What are we saying? Why our people with no reason? Open all that. Look at yesterday fundraising. Imaginable.
That is it. That is it, my brother.
Imaginable.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The state that I have not had, I have never had them donate yesterday. Before that state donated yesterday millions.
My brother, I tried to make a silent count now.
My brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my brother.
Thank you so much.
There's a lot of people that is confused. Our people that is following these people. I'm sorry for them. Do you know why? I'm sorry for them because Samonegba is not idiot. Because sometimes the word that Samonegba said, if you leave it as you say, let the man cannot come out. Are we going to stop one place?
That is going on. That is going on. That's working on the ground, man.
Thank you.
That's working on the
When
ground.
are we going to walk in underground?
My brother, thank you. Thank you. Allow other people to take, okay? Just 3 minutes. If you call, 3 minutes. And some of you that call, if I will return the call. Hello.
Shalom. Good afternoon.
How do I get a from Obodo Jesus?
Alonso.
Ano shalom, man. Okay, I can't just suspect to another one come and leave Jesus name.
Hey, man, that's your catalan number. Mazes does send them your number.
Okay, I'll go. Thank you, man.
Ihe kwesịrị ịna-arụ bụ MC and ịna-arụ that MC onye bịara ebe a na-agaghị adrọpụ ego onye gara mmemme ịrụrụ MC onwe ike iricha rice were ngaji tinye n'akpa ị na-achụ anyị BP here udo dịrị gị nwa Chineke.
Thank you, my sister.
Udo dịrị gị.
Thank you.
Mba ha che na ha nwere ọnụ ha ma na anyị nwere ibu nwa ụfụ ịghọtala
I'm not gonna be sad.
Mba ha che na ha nwere ọnụ nke gị bụ niile ete ka crozin ị naghị emeki noise nọrọ a na-achọ ebe okwu si apụ okwu a na-apụsị a na-ajụ onye na-ekwu okwu gị na-ede ka crozin. Maazị nwaanyị isi ọcha nọ na France nwaanyị agbaala ara eji m bikos ọ na-ege gị ofụma egwukwala m ya na nke Zedos TV, you understand? Because otu ebe ọ nọ now ama na the woman ọ na-arahụ ụra ọ na-agagharị na the whole platform. So achọrọ m iji ohere a were na-agwa ya sị ịnụ onye nwụrụ chep isi this woman ịfụ na ọ bụ escaping imbecile. Onwe onye ọbụla size isi ya dị like that nwụrụ uche. Nwaanyị a ifu ka o si ekwu okwu mara na this woman gwara ara before. Akwụkwọ ọ bụ ihe niile si gị good morning na ịgafe ya bụ isi zuru oke.
Ụgụrụ na-awụ na be anyị na early January. Ụgụrụ na-awụ mgbe 90s ọbọkwa 2000. Ikwu gwara akwu ha na okwu na ọ bụ that na iwere kọrịkọ n'isi oge ikopụ. Onye were kọrịkọ n'isi obido chọọ ebe komkom bọmvita nọ. Ọpịkwe komkom bọmvita.
This woman only 2 weeks this woman pụtara sị na okwu niile ya kwuru maka Dr. Ngozi Ọrabeze bụ na okwu niile bụ okwu asị. Nọ nkọ na anaghị achọ nkọ mma ama m onye ya na this woman na-akọ. The last thing our DPM ga-eme ọpụta onye na mmadụ a na-akọ ọnụ ama m onye ya na ya na-akọ sị gị na ya na-achọ ọgụ na ife niile ya kwuru okwu asị ọ wee ihe niile ahụ o kwuru ka ọ nọkọtakwara chigatakwa azụ were na-ekwu ka m gwa nwaanyị isi ọcha na ihe ọ na-eme ga-agha ọ gaghị emekarị nke Ichenga Uruagụ mere our PM. Ichenga kwugidere kwuru okwu mma n'ala. Simon stop were okwu ya yipụsị akwụ ya.
Them that video. Give me that video.
Yes, Simon stop. Ihe anyị bụ gọọmenti. Ihe anyị bụ ụmụ Biafra. ihe ọ na-asụ ụmụ ajaala anyị nwa bụ ụmụ ajaala ihe anyị bụ okirikiri ka a na-agba ukwu ose anaghị arị elu agbara ngele ikuru ngele ṅụọ ihe ụmụ Biafra bụ ana ihe anyị jiri mara na nwaanyị isi ọcha gee ntị ka m gwa gị ihe anyị jiri mara na anyị nọ na the right track bụ na mgbe unu gwara Simon gwa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụkwa ihe unu na-agba Dr. Ngozi Orabueze ihe gosiri ihe na-emepụta oge ọbụla na-asị ngozi ihe ahụ gosiri Biafrans ọ bụ ifuru ka fundraising siri zoo ka mmiri ọ fụkwara ka fundraising siri zoo ka mmiri
ọ ga-afọ ya
mana ihe mere na ana m esokwa ya ana m esi ya ana m na-efolozi ya ana m efolozi ya mana m na-esi ya na-aga watch ihe ọ na-eme ọ pụta ọsọ 1,000 people 1,000 persons are watching me this that o soro gị mụnwa o soro gị mụ achịkọtara m ọchị ụnyaahụ jụnya Maazị Exodus esendịrị m ya voice ebe nna ji ọchị si ya nna o jere aga finish ya ewere mụ 20 ejemma were welcome ya otu o siri bata na ya mana onye a na-azụ na vava ha anabatakwala ha na-asọkwa ya asọ ha ma ọ o jiri ọnụ ya sị na ya bụ eke ọgba
is net 20 ejemma ma eme gịnị
were nabata ya were kelee ya na their means.
Mana somebody donate $100 yesterday iji emeri ya send spot na USB.
Mba na ebe m siri bido watch bụ anụrụ m 20.
Mba ana m ekwu that na ebe mmadụ ji wee $20
mmadụ jiri 20 were nabata ya mmadụ akwụọ 100 na nke anyị were kelee
ji $100 gbara ụgbọ nwa mkpi eji $100 gbara ụgbọ nwa mkpi ka ọ na nke ọma ịma people
ọrụsigo nwaanyị isi ọcha arụsigo ọ lawala onwe ozi ihe ọ na-aghọta ihe m na-agwa bụ genuine Biafrans gaa na ebe ahụ be nnụ mara ebe ahụ nnụ pịrị aka were bata sikwa na otu a pịa aka ebe ahụ nnụ ziri pịa aka were bata na nka platform ya.
Anyway, my sister.
Maazị Chika nkwuo nke a sị na do n'owu abụ na ọ sị na ya adịgo na with her age na ya nwee ike isi asị enwere na-asị ya na ọ nwụrụ one lady a na-akpọkwa otu Amerịka ha a na-akpọ Ogechi Okeke Njaka like echi now Ogechi Okeke Njaka na-asị na o nwere ike o ruo ebe 80 years ọ na-agwa anyị with her age young youth ọ na-ayị ara so age doesn't mean anything. Age doesn't mean that you have sense.
Truly.
Even one worker did 15 to getting to 16 years now. When you get advice on your 90 years, when you get sense that more by age.
Exactly.
Ihe ọ pụtara na akọgheri agaghị nwaanyị na-agwọ ofe kwesịrị ịnọ na village now jide mkpụ ọtaba n'aka na-akpụ ọtaba.
My sister.
Anyị ukwu bụ onye na-disturb nwaanyị isi ọcha ọ sị na awa DPM gaziri mee ihe ọghọrọ nwa bebi na were ego gaa saa ihe ọghọrọ nwa bebi ewere mfu na anyị ukwu na-eji stop this woman. Anyị ukwu
ekwugo m ife a before chee ka tiere gị ọnụ na nke a ekwugo m ha before.
Okay.
Many of these people, many of these women now jump from pillar to pole, like act as if they have everything. They have experience, they are age, and they are rich. The problem, honey, whenever you see number one about honey personal achievement, or a problem. Some of the good can physical bag about that now. If you know more than Anna, and not than Anna, to them, their dating are so why able each. I'm not talking about but all have their reason. Then some of them, now, not why are they too bold? And I prefer why they put deal than the fear. Fear. So it is true. But the only thing is that it's not between you and CS. in Awata is between Biafran and
yes.
you. So you cannot just make choice for everybody. Sometimes if you go need to make choice for everybody, you are wrong. I'm not getting that because of now a platform. I start feeling like I can say some fact. You know that when I'm doing my broadcast, I will have 50 like. From there, it's there that now you have arrived. In fact, you cannot contest. Or like if you don't for yesterday, able to maintain a money in the for president. Actually, they watch here. So people now watching.
Pastor. Pastor or a comedian. You have to go, on a bandy,
when the boy Agakuya so when the boy Agakuya. The only thing eventually he could have done two things people can trade for just two things. One, negative or positive. Now watching is for two things. Is that now watching for negative or positive? About that you are just insulting yourself, thinking that you are making broadcast. People will come there just to see just to see the level of your stupidity. I watch that. It's going in a way followers. Like one guy in the trend, then I want to Pastor AD. I'm on my phone again. One Bini guy, Pastor AD.
Yes, they call it Bini.
That pastor, PM will matter the person anyway. So Pastor AD, he can a program yeah. Upon an watch a cake or professor, or just that kind of entertainment on a but on our protest never pastor when they make fun. But people, all my people they follow, not because when the opposite that thing, people will stop. So Mazi
Genti, why is social na France AGAD? Onye nwunye ga na yi odiara. Ojido die mana die bo vegetable. Woke nwike no this woman na yi ara odiara. Ama na nwanyi a onwukra family. Otu anọ na o nwere ihe odi ihe ga-eme mpụta azuzu na Facebook. Akpọ gị na phone dogo maazụ ni na ekopuzi ekopu.
Okay, so
onye ọ na-ekwu kwuru fere kwuo nke nsasị ekwurekwu. Okay, Remedios nke ahụ ifu na no nwetara mental problem. And ya ka Ikenga jiri kwuo that time si na nke ọ na-ekwu maka Dr. Ngozi na ọ ga-etinye ọgba aghara. And ihe ahụ kwuru bụ ihe mere nụ.
That statement melody. That statement so different melody we feel that you feel that in fact I don't know can some people say it. Mmadụ gwa gị na ị ga-ayara ekwena ka ara abịara gị atọ. You know what the point? I can't tell you. Yes. Thank you, my sister. Thank you so much for your time.
So why is your chat?
Okay. People can't go. People can't go.
People can't go. Okay, hang mo 30 seconds. Can we go why is your chat? Why is your chat? Oponi any lunu garagakota ancestors no. To convince the Biafra ka ha gara ime foreign. If you can minutes run yeah, go chori drop okay.
God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So let us go to some of our people. Okay. Hello. Yeah, you have the floor. 3 minutes. Can you wait 3 minutes now, please?
Okay. I'm Uchenna.
You're welcome, Uchenna.
So I'm from Obodondi Beliza.
Okay. Udo, yeah, man.
3 minutes, man. That 3 minutes. All the
it was very small because that was the first time we went in online. And the more I shall look at, we got through a little history. Even this day, look at and even the bar I got today.
Okay.
But anyway, we got caught you up in Pumpo. Thank you very much. I can report. First of all, you've been trying. God bless you.
Thank you.
Onya lakop mana iwash if no that aqua this man okuwali anisi between 100% because also last ni raf by the aqua na munye jalo baba ni lo matali anwa.
You are right.
So
you are right.
He who comes for equity will come with a clean hand. So already just the same thing. Already just mama because the world say when I don't think also from a responsible family, couple that not be stark illiterate. You know. So that one is apart. Our people and American effort for fundraising yesterday because they have shown that they are not pushover. Emana Ogenkere and Co. from the outset far plan to stop this redeclaration. This redeclaration, Emelona Finland, was what Nnamdi Kanu planned for over 15 years on Owokro.
Okay.
Nnamdi Kanu got one step forward. These people, DOS, they push 5 steps backward until they did. And all the same people, I want to go up in the village where you did. I want to prove everybody right.
Yeah.
You know, where you did. Simon, where they were built on Nnamdi Kanu's legacy. Where we know within the 4 years, they did Nnamdi Kanu, where organized Biafra, arranged Biafra, where former government pushing Nnamdi Kanu was unable to do because of no reason. Where conduct a referendum, pushing Nnamdi Kanu was unable to do. Not on the fix the date for redeclaration. That redeclaration was what they want to stop by all means. The way you use the same people, Jana Simon, Local, Ogenkere, Sanya Parawa, all these guys, you know. So, if towards the time again made the redeclaration, Ejide Simon to go. When Ngozi Orabeze were pushing as one is an erudite, Ngozi be radical, Ngozi be politician. For him, we be an activist. He can wear some political aspect to you. Ngozi be a politician, a well-educated politician. So, Ngozi we work on Simon's legacy. Where as Nambelede Nyuridike, Manambelede Jamadike.
Yeah.
They are planning to forestall the referendum by on 2nd of December. Ngozi Bofana by declare on the 29th. Obuna Ngozi declare on that Biafra on the 29th of December. Obuna the next day, the thing wouldn't have worked anymore because even Finland was ready to cooperate to make sure that that forestall the thing. And then you'll have benefit of that 29. Because we both are up by that day. In Russia, if I knew after the redeclaration of the blue microphone, why now the congressmen, what am I going to tell them? That declare second. That was rubbish. Because congressmen are all interested in the date you declared Biafra. If a congressman be interested in, have you declared, where is the declaration paper? That's all. Mbang if one about that day, promise in Nigeria that he will stop it. He did not stop it. Now, if I feel on a second, congressmen on our buffer is just a metaphor. All Nigeria can do. Can you think about Nigeria? Don't know if I know why don't walk across. That's what happened. Because all their plans needed that second. Between first, 30, 31st, first, second, came everything they can wait this at the time. But you go to Bulfanaba. So,
That's exactly what happened. Open and Ngozie declare this Biafra. Ifa Akabu a stain on Biafra and to Igbo people forever, everlasting threat that no one if again work our wipe for that stain. Ngozie Bishop Lundi Igbo and Biafra in general. Onye Niru. Onye Obuni follow Putalu today. Now Pali Ngozie name everything. These are the agents of Ndi Nigeria.
True.
You know, someone like Wafoga said that look, you might be in a clique, but you don't know. These people, some of them don't know what they are doing. Some of them knew exactly what they are doing. It's just that they don't even want the Biafra to come. They want the agitation to go on and on. Every Saturday, fundraising at Olufego, and then some of them will create content, making money. Some of them they just want it that way. That was exactly what happened when the Israelites were leaving Egypt.
You're right.
Just immediate step across what's the name of this sea? What's the name of this sea? Is it the Red Sea or thereabouts? Immediately across to the other side. Moses put the 10 commandments. On his way back, Israel, he put a go when one half, so now their God started worshiping it out of anger. Moses were the 10 commandments. Out of attitude in Israel. In Israel, Philippines, in Egypt, including the killing of all the first child, all the first male child in Egypt. Everybody for them. Yet, crossing the Red Sea, they forgot everything. Molded calf, Moses were the 10 commandments. And because of that 10 commandments, that was why Moses did not see the promised land. God said, okay, whatever happened, this will happen, but you will not see the promised land. You will see the promised land, but you will not reach there. So Moses should be very careful for these people not to push her to the wall. Makano otu aka push the Simon waiting in a banner now. Otu aka push the land they can wait be in a banner now. Keep the question from Ngozi. Why are they not pushing Isaiah? Why only Ngozi? For first Isaiah with their APM. Why in a father Alaruzola Makangozi? They want to put her in this. Ngozi should be very, very careful of these people. These are evil men.
I'm surprised.
And all of them, none of them will see Biafra. You know why?
Okay.
Because they don't want to learn from history. Remember when Joshua took over from Moses?
Yeah.
August sent the spy to go and spy the promised land, where God said have place to go and spy the promised land. They came back, and some of them said, "No, we don't think we can take over these people. These people are too massive, too big. We are like ants, to them. We don't think we can do it." But you see the brave one that say, "No, God has given us this place. We shall go and take it. We will take over everything that God has given to us." Those guys that summoned the courage to say this thing were the ones God said, "You're going to see the promised land." All the other ones that doubted God, none of them saw the promised land. God said, "You are not going to see the promised land because they doubted God." That is what is going on now. Anybody telling you to fall back will not see Biafra. Anybody telling you to fall back to breathe after you declared Biafra, that person will not see Biafra. I'm not cursing anybody, but Igbo people don't operate today. Igbo people they are choosing generation. They are not just adopted children of Israel. Igbo people are pure children of Israel. They are choosing generation. Everything that happened to Israelites are what God is replicating now in Biafra. So if you are falling back, you know where you are falling to. But we are moving forward, forward ever. So, Kai, thank you very much.
God bless you, my brother.
May God bless Simon Epa. May God bless Ngozi Orabeze and her erudite cabinet. And may God bless the United States of Biafra. Amen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. So, he said a lot of things, but let's continue. We have another person. Hello. Yeah. You're welcome.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you very clear.
Hello.
Yes, you have the floor. Continue. We can hear you.
Good morning, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you for the good work that you are doing.
You're welcome, bro.
And I only want to use this opportunity to thank our CSO, the PM, Dr. Ngozi Orabweze. Can't you see the State of the Nation broadcast yesterday?
Superb.
I hope you watch it, right, brother?
Yes, now I streamed it. How
can you use the broadcast of our CSO to compare with the State of the Nation broadcast of Mr. Debunking Morgan?
My brother, I say, hold on.
You know what is wrong with our people sometimes is this. I don't know if it is envy and jealousy.
My brother, if you go now, okay, go State of the Nation, just whisper. If you can get a member whispering, come about State of the Nation.
Oh, yeah, this leadership and a beauty in somebody. You can, God is the one that built. If only leadership, we know it is only God that gives leadership. You can't take leadership by force. That's why it's something that is happening in the zoo that we want to live. It's happening there. Because it's only God that ordained leadership.
True.
You know now? That is why Mazina de Kano see our PM as leadership. He ordained by God because he was already saying that God was choosing our PM and he supported him based on what Chineke.
Yeah.
And our PM equally see our CSO as ordained leadership in him. Also protect the mandate. I don't understand why people, they have simple mathematics. I don't understand. Because our leader, there is a situation that you will find yourself. You get to mental toughness. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Because even some people did not understand the situation that we are now, they will get a lot of confused. But your eyes must be on the ball. You understand?
Exactly.
That's why sometimes I don't know, say as her that she can lie. He may not lie, but age, the thinking, that thinking of when you are young and when you are old, there must be a different understanding. You understand, my brother?
I feel you, my brother. Have the floor.
The way he understands the situation now will not be the way we understand it.
Yeah.
And suppose not that he is going the wrong way. How can we declare Biafra in Finland? He will tell us again that we should fall back again, which is what Organ has been working for. Because when you watch their movement and the way they acted in Finland, you know that they did not support the Biafra declaration.
From day one.
They did not support it.
From day one, they don't support it.
You understand? Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? I think that from day one, all of that will support Oya. So he's not even hidden at all. He's not even hidden at all. Thank you so much, my brother. I really appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Keep on the good work.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for calling. Thank you. So that's our brother there. And let me return call because there are some people called at early stage. I think let me start from so many of them. So there are too many. Where will I start? I don't even know where to start. Triple M, I don't know if I'm still here. But before then, let me return call to this our brother that called earlier. I think I've talked to him, but let me see. Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you.
Yeah. Sorry, I was just coming out from the church now.
Oh, okay. Because I saw your call before, so we are still online.
Yeah. Okay, are you still online?
Yes, we are. This is time to take call.
Please, my dear brother, I just want to appreciate what you people are doing, especially how you try to make us digest some of the things that have been happening. It's really sad that this kind of thing will be happening with people who say they desire freedom. To say the least, I'm not sure if we are really ready for our freedom, because if we are, this will not be happening. This lady, what has he really done to Biafra? Apart from sacrificing her time and life to do what some of us will not be able to do. And then all we could pay her back with is to call her names, try to share her private life, share it in the public. And the people who parade themselves as leaders, those who want us to learn from them, they say they are leaders, they say they are elders, and they open their mouth and they commit. Oh my God. I can't explain it.
That is it.
Sometimes why are we this wicked, for crying out loud? Must everything all be about money? Because if you look at the utterances of Adajorama, I don't know, it is all about money. It is not about any justification or what. It is all about money.
Not at all.
At the end of the day, what will they do with this money? If they get this money, killing other people. Some of people think we could just. They think killing people is all about.
Your voice is cutting. I don't know if you are aware of it.
Yeah, someone else is talking, so I was trying to give him time to continue.
Okay. No, nobody is talking. Maybe you are getting feedback from your own voice. Nobody is talking.
So, okay, let me make it snappy. And then for me, I think Biafrans should remain resolute. And then let us go through this thing now. And then my prayer for this woman is that God will continue to strengthen her. Those of you who are doing what you are doing, please, may you continue to do what you are doing. And then at the end of the day, Biafra will be free.
Thank you.
Thank you, and God bless each and every one of you.
Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. So that is our brother there, and he is making his comments after church service, which is good for Christians in the house. We have other people. Triple M, you can let me get to you. I still have another person that I'm supposed to call before Triple M. Let me call him first. Okay, Tom is. I think Tom called before now. Let's see if you have time to talk. I don't want to miss any of them, so they will not think that you are. I just ignore them. Hello? Okay. TV, can you recognize me, please? TV, I'm not going to feature. I'm not even paying much attention on the comment yet. Well done, Kai TV. Respect. Thank you, Ngozi Morris. Let me bring. I'm coming to your message, sheep baby. This Hello. Hello.
Are you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good. The floor is yours.
You said?
The floor is yours. 3 minutes.
Okay. I
I just have some quick question to ask you. Although I'm not in among the government, and also me, I'm from Delta State, so I like what our PM and Mazan Kano is doing. We support them.
Okay.
So the question I just want to ask you. Did I have two questions? Did Mazman Kano and Simon Epa ask our men on the ground not to touch Fulani S-men that be raping, killing, burning houses, doing evil upon evil? Even international community rate them as in 4 deadliest terrorists in the whole world. But COS, Ngozi Waboze, she asks people not to go after them. Is it good? That is one point.
Okay. Then what is 2 points?
No, you can answer me. Abi, do you want me to go or what?
Okay. The question, your question is if Mazam Kano and the PM asked Fulani people not to ask the Biafran Liberation Army not to touch Fulani people. That was your question, right?
Yes.
Okay, the
yes.
answer.
And also the Fulani S-men. The whole world read them.
I know that the whole. We know that the whole world read them. Your question is, listen. Your question is if Mazam Khan and PM have ever asked BLA not to touch Fulani terrorists. That's what you mean.
Yes.
The answer is no. And what is the next question again?
Okay. The answer is no, but Ngozi tell them not to touch them.
Okay, where did you hear that from?
Yeah, she said it on her. I thought that you follow her.
I follow her, but I did not hear that from her. I'm hearing it from you.
Yeah, he go viral. It's on Twitter. No. I saw it on Twitter. I saw it on Facebook. Okay. This is one point. Second one.
No, let us finish this one. No, hold on. Let us finish this one because to be honest with you, the number that I put here is like people like you, not even people that are, we thank God about fundraising. No, I don't need it to be honest with you. But when I see anybody, when this kind of question is not coming up, of course I have no choice than to talk to people. Even if you want me to give you 10 minutes, I will give it to you because I like people like you. I have to thank you for having even the courage to ask the question. It's not easy. But one thing you need to understand is that there's no time DPM, CS, Ngozi Rabeze said anything like that. It's a lie.
No. She wait. Somebody asked her the question. Why did you say that? She said because they should not go after the S-men. They should go after the people that send them. I always follow her. I follow Gonkele, I follow everybody. Just what is going on.
Okay, let me answer you. The problem, you said you are from Delta, right? I wanted to speak Igbo to you, but let me continue with English language. The problem with some of us, some of people like you, is that you guys you like to hear things on the surface. Details, you don't pay attention because you guys are too much in haste. You're so much in a haste that you don't even listen, man. Listen, you don't even hear what the person is saying or trying to understand what the person is trying to say. But since you want to go by question, let me ask you this question. Before the convention, let me say the whole 2023, just hear me, from 2023 to 2024, did you see any video where the African Liberation Army was chasing cow in the bush, yes or no?
When? I don't understand your
From January 2023 to December 2023, the whole 2023, did you see anywhere, any picture, any video where Biafran Liberation Army is chasing or was chasing Fulani cow in the bush? Yes or no? Did you see that or not? Yes, or listen. No, hold on. Listen, I will answer your question. Answer this one. Did you see Biafran Liberation Army chasing cow in the bush from January 2023 to December 2023? Yes or no?
No. That is you are just trying to turn things. That is things around. I asked you a question. You are using question to answer my.
Okay, you don't want to answer. Then what is your question?
Do you ever see Masman Kano and Samapa say they should not fight all this Funani elders?
I have answered.
You turn it to ask me other question. My brother, I must tell you the truth. You are an Igbo guy. We get us. We want this Biafra, and you people are the one sabotaging. I will just tell you.
What
because now, as I see you are a young boy. You don't know what tomorrow will be, because later on you will have a children.
Mm-hmm.
How your children will live if you not fight for them now?
What part of data are you?
Listen now.
What part of data are you?
Listen, my brother.
What part of data are you? No. What part of?
Listen now. Let me say something. Let me round up. As when Ojuku win that war, do you think Funani S-men we from north come our land and begin to destroy our land? And that is what you people are doing now. In future, your children will suffer it. My children also. So it is better for us to stand. You understand? So you people should stop all this sabotaging. Only that five states. You people are the only one trying to bring Biafra down. Masna Nakano is in the dungeon, suffering.
Okay.
I always listen to you people, but the way you do things is not fair.
Okay.
Try and compose yourself and do things right.
Okay, so don't drop the call. Are you done?
No, I will not drop it.
Okay, continue. Are you done?
No, and I have other question to ask.
Bring it on. Continue.
Okay. Now, PM. According to CUS, Ngozi Ohabuzi, she said PM gave her surrogate. We all follow her. Also me. I trust PM.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now listen.
I'm listening.
That surrogate for her to participate for the declaration. And I follow her. I always on her page because I like her speech.
Okay.
Now, PM also sent another message to all of you. Back.
He did not send me a message.
Okay, now.
No.
Where
PM did not send me a message. Not all of you. He did not send me a message. I don't receive any message.
No.
I did not receive any message from PM. Mm-hmm.
Not you, not
you. Said all of
like,
you. You said all of you.
He sent to like Ngozi Ohabuzi, Adadio Rama, and all others.
Okay, now she refused to fall back. Now what I'm hearing now, AI. Oh, when PM first send message surrogate, that one is not AI. Abi, okay, now fall back become AI. It's not fair. We all big part. See, nobody will be small beginning. We know everybody the social media like as Kerena TV just the it just carry big head. Just the talk what not the crap. What people see. I think they happen. You can't social media they defend waiting not supposed to defend. Now shame upon that guy. Everybody know waiting they on. You understand me? So please, my brother, I always watch your program. I will want you to turn around. Please,
you want me to fall back?
Forget because of your children. I'm just telling the truth. Funani, they are crazy. I'm just telling you, Funani don't know friends.
Okay, can I talk?
Even because now you are trying to defend what Funani is doing. Okay, do you know Yamufu in Enugu? The massacre almost 150,000.
Wow,
men. So they rape one girl.
Wow, okay.
Is it fair?
Are you done? Just tell me when you are free, when you are done.
No, I'm just telling you.
No.
When a PM was around, I always watch your program. I comment. No matter how, because I normally work. No matter how my work is, I must surely watch you. I must. That is what you and Emmanuel Refuting. I am two of you. I always watch you. But now I'm not be the way you did the talk before you gonna talk now. Things gonna change. You understand? Me, I love is more picking now.
And I'm a small people. Continue.
I will like you because not say you dey follow Ngozi na Funani woman. I must surely tell you the fact, the truth.
Yes.
Now Funani somebody that defend her people. She married Funani. She born Funani. Now person when marry Funani now she open the fight for you. Unless you people don't want this Biafra to come, because in the suffer there, and remember Biafra Liberation Army, gentle Yahoo. Now that guy don't knock or fall for ground. That or fall. That thing is very crazy something.
Yeah.
And it will work. It will work from generation to generation. No, and you ask a question whether they shoot them gun.
My brother, when are you going to finish? When are you going to finish? I'm still waiting for you to finish you.
Okay, let me allow you, but I'm annoyed. But let me allow you. You can say something.
Okay, please don't interrupt. I want to answer just two questions. Okay, just two questions. Which part of Delta are you?
Delta State.
Now I know which part.
Agbo.
You are from Agbo. Do you understand Igbo language? Because Agbo is basically Igbo people.
Yes. If you speak Igbo, I will understand. But normally, especially if Anambra speak, I the only hear.
No. I have one of my best friends is from Agbo. One of my best friends is from Agbo. So don't tell me that Igbo don't speak Igbo. You speak Igbo language. You understand it. Your language is Igbo.
I understand.
Listen, Abo language is Abo language. Okay, speak your language.
Somehow
Speak your language.
Okay, if I speak you here.
So Kano.
Onye agbo
Igbo.
And again, Agwanja agbo nueli yoto. Nueli yoto ni elo ogun because ndị Fulani wela to nuwe na ale chuku yi because when na ogo enwebe keje ọmụmanị ni etu ka na eme ni ihe zomare na yima because onye gị bi ko gị bito na mwa ego lo o boke egu ika ka to lo onye le ko lo we onye jabi jan ogu olo so ngagbo na gbo na so ni this Biafra government in exile that mazi some everybody no oyo na lacking Biafra government in exile so na ezo ma seta ka nwe ale.
Okay, so you now you use my platform we appreciate for Biafra government in exile. Genti, listen to me, my brother. In Delta State, do you sit at home? In Delta State, do you sit at home?
Yeah. Not everybody.
No.
I'm not
yes,
coming like.
Yes,
some like a car starts up, then sit at home. The car starts up. If you remember, there is one certain time when Fulani go our land, they kill so many people in Agbo there. That thing go viral. They massacre them. So they know what our people are doing. They are following. They sit at home, but not all. You know, we have a CASAT and a CANOT.
Okay, so this is first time I'm
normally doing.
All right, listen. This is first time I'm hearing that there's any part sitting at home in Delta State. That's number one. Number two, you said that CUS is married to a Fulani person. That is a lie from pit of hell. She's not married to Fulani. Listen. Hold on. Listen. Your own now is to hear. Okay, I am done listening to you. COS did not marry to anything, not a Northerner, let alone Fulani. That's number one. That's a lie from pit of hell. Second thing is that COS did not tell you don't go after Fulani terrorists. What she said is repeating what PM said. When PM formed Biafran Liberation Army, DOS was accusing him the same thing that you are saying now. That Fulani are killing our women and men. The is busy doing donation to form his gang to kill our people. That was the word they're saying. And PM said that these people don't understand what they're doing. That in international community, you don't tag Fulani people as they should leave your land. As a nation, Fulani is a nation. They're one ethnic group. You don't say let them leave your land. If you say that, it simply means that you are trying to commit genocide. That what you should do is to call it what it is. People like you in Bridge, is telling Fulani people live our life. If you say that international law, because PM is law-abiding citizen, he knows everything like what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, and how you carry it on. You don't pretend that you are telling Fulani to leave your land. What it simply means is that you are trying to commit genocide on an ethnic group. That Fulani herdsmen should leave is different from Fulani people to leave your land. COS repeated the same thing, telling you that you don't tell Fulani to leave. What you say is that terrorists in the now land. And she actually went further to repeat what PM said in the past, which is you don't need to waste time chasing them when you know people that they enable them to do what they're doing. That's why I asked you the question. 2013 January to 2013 December, did you see any Biafran Liberation Army chasing cow in the bush? The answer is no. Why? Because they were busy going after people that enable them. That's what PM said, yo. And that's what CS is trying to tell you as well. If you begin to talk about chasing cow, that means you are trying to join DOS, not even breach. Different government, if you want to chase cow, that is what DOS are doing even now. They will look around and see where there's no police, no army to fight them back. They will go after cow and people that are carrying cow in the bush. I have some videos even in my WhatsApp group, my WhatsApp channel, where they're chasing. This one happened just last month. They were busy chasing cow. DS is that what they're doing. So, but people in the bridge, in the Biafran government, is trying to in Biafran government they are trying to use that to confuse you, because I can see that you are watching from Homeland, so probably maybe you don't have enough data to watch all the videos. You just pick people that you watch, but that's not how to do, my brother. All these things you are seeing. Listen. Listen, man. I'm not done.
My number. I based in Italy here.
Okay, you based in Italy and you are something like this. Wow. Are you close to Chiamaka Jerry? Because maybe he baptized you.
No. See, okay, now my brother, I told you I normally follow you. I'm just telling you the truth. You and Emmanuel Remedios, I can't stay one day and not listen to you. Because that time I like the way you hit DOS. You hit them with fat and figure.
Okay, I hit US. But listen, the person that told you that US is married to Fulani is the one telling you that she's the only one that fought US. So you remember that I actually made a video about US then. Oh, but I thought you are the why is Ocha in France is bragging that she's the one that fights Jews and bring them to their knee. That's a story for another day anyway. What I'm trying to tell you, listen, Fulani people, hold on. Fulani people that we're talking about, not all Fulani are terrorists. I hope you know that. People that are doing what they're doing. No. If you want to listen. If you say Fulani to leave your land, that is not the right thing to say. Okay, that's not the right thing to say, because you are not building a country.
I didn't say all Fulani. I mean,
when you say Fulani, what do you expect? Anyway, my brother, let me answer another call. Okay, hold on. Let me answer another call. Thank you for your time. Thank you. God bless you. Hello.
Hello, my brother Kai.
Good morning. I see you. I know.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you very, very clear, my brother. Nice to have you again. Where have you been?
My brother, I don't really know what's going on. You know, sometimes when you come on air, I can only watch on my phone. There is no option for me to comment. When I tap it, I will just see your screen. There is no space for me to type anything. I've been stressing that for a very long time.
How can the village there?
Honestly, I can only watch when I can comment.
It's okay.
That's it.
It's okay.
Yeah, you know, our people, I don't know why our Biafran people, we always be in hurry in everything. We don't exercise any single patient. Now let me start by saying this on the areas of those, you know, castigating our DPM, saying some of them, what has she done? Since she said that she took over, what has she done? So when I look at them, I laugh. These questions they are bringing to our DPM, you can see them. These are people supporting Ogenkere. You can see them ask Ogenkere the same question. Ogenkere won't even come to space to address them. After addressing them, he will now open floor for question and answer. But they will always beat their chest to come and be talking rubbish over our DPM. Now, these people saying that our land is going, Fulani people are killing us. They failed to ask Ogenkere. He came out in space to tell them that he stopped the man on ground because he's in charge.
He told them to stop work to prove a point.
Okay.
None of them have asked him, why did he do so?
You are on point. You're on point. I understand what you're saying very, very well.
Now, why don't they ask? Okay, why do you say you are the one controlling the men on ground? Even they use the so-called the fake account they call us to say that our DPM they banned her from this, they banned her from that. Then you are fighting, even using the men on ground according to them. Fight our DPM. How come now you are still blaming her for killing people at home?
Mm-hmm.
You know, we our people, I don't really understand the problem. What is the problem of our people? Then even our brother Gentle, we love him so much, we respect him, coming out to say that Ngozi or Abuezi have not given her money. You came on space, say you don't support her. How do you expect money from her again? Eh?
My brother,
I don't want to go that area because it has been addressed.
Not only addressed, the truth is that the money was sent there, to be honest with you. And like I said, somebody shared this. I've seen the receipt. Somebody managed to give it to me. I'm not lying to you. There's a receipt, you real one. But
now, our DPM said it. She said it. So now you ask yourself, these same people trying to crucify our DPM for accounting for 3 months. They don't have the balls to question okay. For how many months? For how many years?
Do you know that
Even the one our DPM made public to everybody said before the convention, he was given 15 million which our PM approved to unveil our police, Biafran police in Finland. We did not see anything. And he have not come back to debunk it. None of them have said anything about it. What is wrong with our people, man?
Ogenkere also told you that. How many of you remember the broadcast that he made where he talked about, where he said that Solomon and his deputy was calling Butoso, and that number they called is old line. Then now they cannot reach out to him. Do you understand?
They changed. He said he told Butoso to change line.
Meaning that listen. Then
why are they blaming COS?
After saying that on air. Then, if anything happens, Ngozi cannot do anything. Our land is burning. Our land is on fire. And let me tell you, it's not as if those people saying that in the know. I will mention them here. Remedies own is because of Caterpillar. He don't want to use that to stand on that as a man, like a man. He choose to pretend that he don't understand. He used another reason. Then Ada, the same thing, because of issue how we see us, but they will use those things that they understand, they know to confuse you. My brother, thank you for your time, my dear. Thank you. God bless you.
It's okay. All we know is that the same thing that happened between DOS and our BM is the same thing that is playing out now, because the more they propagate against our DPM, the more they announce her. The more our Biafran people see the truth.
That is true.
So that is where we are heading to. In no distant time, everything will unfold. They will still go underground the way the US go. Thank you, my brother. We are together in this struggle. I've said this time with that number. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter how close we are. Once you are not doing the right thing,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure, you told me the other day. You are the one that told me the other day that Rafael Ajere, we were calling my name in his program.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm a good fan of him, but he deviated. He can't be there. Even you see all these people, that's where I do my things. And I know it's the spirit of Biafra that lets me at it. Once you deviated, the hunger of me coming to your platform, I will lose it. I can't even come there and be commenting, you are this, you are that. You can't even see me. I can't come there again. That's that's me for you. I don't want to come there to start battling one with you. No. In that one, I want the man. So on subscribe, I can only listen your program via my people, just the way you are playing Adajo Rama this thing now. This is Adajo Rama now. When they wake her up now, bringing her own video, bringing her parent video, what question does she need to ask herself? That means those things she said before are all lies.
That's another thing.
When you hear something, you cannot go and verify the information. You come to public. Tomorrow, you turn 360. Start talking about rubbish. Only time will tell. USB is where we stand. No going back. No going back.
Thank you.
There is another thing. Sorry. There is another thing. You see, illiteracy have dealt with this struggle. Our PM said this thing earlier on. Okay, now they want our DPM to start Basbos. We're just making alliances with people. They are so called. They are promoting you. They are busy photoshopping everything. When they Photoshop, they will bring it out. Say meeting congressmen who is who. Do blah 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 blah. We are waiting for them. After 30th of May, then I'm never happen. Thank you, my brother. I respect you.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for that. Hello. I think this person have called before. Am I? Hello.
Yep. Hi. Greetings.
Greetings to you. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for your good work.
Thank you, Laura.
The way you are putting everything clear, all those Ogenkere group, they are shaking. The way you are answering them, giving them space to talk finish before they give this thing. I so much love it. They are all brainwashed. I don't know if Makparawa is using voodoos with those people that when they go to his base, all those things all those nonsense that you put into their head, and they were using it. And I call those people dogmas. People that not reason after they hear from him, they don't have any opportunity to ask them questions. You cannot ask them questions because they will not give you the opportunity to ask them the question. That is why they are using all those rubbish they are putting on their hair, using to walking around and speaking against our DPM. Come to stand, and we are supporting her. And when they say the Fulani is killing people, they will not go and ask question and ask Makparawa. We heard that you tell the BLA to stand down, not to fight anymore. And I thought that they cannot ask that question to them. That I heard that you said to BLA to stop fighting, they should stand down. And now the Fulanis now have opportunity to be entering our land and killing our people. What do you say about that? They will not give that. They will not ask that question.
No.
Now they're putting all those blame on our DPM. Now he said that DPM said that they should not touch Fulani people that kill. And they are misformed. That is what the Barahoba is telling. He's now twisting those things to them, and they are now carrying it along their head that DPM is a Fulani. For where?
Lie from Peter Hell.
Our people are very funny. That type of people, are they observing it at home? No. And they say they are following Mas Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. And they are not observing it at home. Akarawa place, there's own state, they are not observing sit at home. And they're telling us you should sit at home, which they are not observing it. So all those people, I don't know the kind of dream, if they're using spell with them, after they enter their space and listening to them, they don't have any other option. They're carrying those things on their head. I believe they're using spell and voodoos with those people, our people there. That is why their sense is no longer functionally working. The sense don't work anymore. And after everything, they'll come back with shame. So they are listening to Ada Joranjo, Fulani woman. Because Ada Fulani now she's bitter in her heart that yesterday fundraising shocked her. And it cost her a sleepless night that she did not even go to bed to sleep any longer.
She was in that fundraising using her phone to spy on what is going on in USB. And people actually captured that. People captured that. I saw that. I was laughing. Say, look at.
Even when you go to a comment section, they don't even pass 400 comments because a lot of Biafra have left her. And if people that commenting on that place, they are abusing her, abusing them there. So she's very, very weak yesterday, and she will continue to be weakening until she payme. That is it. And when she's even making all those replay against our DPM, the more she's making those things, the more she's giving more good power and making our DPM to go rival as a strong woman. And I love our DPM that she not even shake. She don't even come along and begin to talk her, calling their name, they are doing this, they're doing that. No. She's doing everything she's doing very, very perfect. The way we Biafrans.
My brother, I would like you to for them. I would like you to see, try your best to see if you can read what is on the screen now. This is Calabar TM, right? I don't know if you can see that. If you can see that, just try your best and see if it is readable for you. Okay, you can see he said in Akwa Ibom, what we have is political Ijos Obolo minority who cling onto the Ijo umbrella for political survival and now instigating violence in our state. Okay? Then down part, you see, however, before you marry Ijo first, ask if there are one of those Igbo slave settlers masquerading as Ijo today. This post is being made by somebody, I don't know the person, Calabar. You can see that? Now, if you come down here, you see a diagram like this one you're seeing here now. The three types of Ijos. Again, political Ijo, Igbo slave settlers, and the real Ijo. Now, this is coming from Sonak Parawa's side, though. Just like you have this guy called what is the name of this? Insima. He's busy insulting Igbo people, calling them names because he felt that he can gain favor from Oduduwa people, from Yoruba land. I'm not against it, but you don't need to condemn somebody that have not done anything wrong to you just because you want to get your political gain. And Sonia Brawa don't want to reply or call their people to order. But he's busy telling you how to be more Igbo and more Biafran. I'm not against it too, but let us call a spade. Because this person that called from Abo said that Igbos are they're all saboteurs. I'm not here to defend that. But you that are part of the Biafra, are you doing anything differently from what Igbos are doing? The answer is no. Who is actually doing something for Biafra to come? Have you actually joined hands to do anything reasonable to liberate yourself and Igbo, as you claim that you are part of it? But your own is to size something. All of them that are not from the so-called Far Eastern part, all of them are with Ogenken. Why? Because Sonak Barawa is there. They feel that their brother is there. I have not seen anybody that come out and maybe just to say it, that this is where you belong and what you represent. They don't do that. Okay? They don't do that. Hello?
There's one video I sent it to your WhatsApp about Kere broadcast.
Okay.
You know, if you use that broadcast to use it and do program, you will laugh. Even Biafrans will laugh. Which kind of man be that person?
Okay.
Understand? If a man does not, you cannot compare him with COS at all. I don't know what people see about that man. I have said that man to go and continue doing his business.
My brother, nobody's comparing anything here. That's not it. Nobody's comparing anything. Just that I don't even drive joy in talking about Odinker much. Just that our people need to hear the truth. That if not, why would I be talking about him? Anyway, I will watch the video after the broadcast. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. God bless you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So, Frank, please, you have been calling. I know if I did not answer your call, okay, let me just look for you, please. You have been calling and calling and calling. I think, Frank, I hope you are the one. Please, if I'm not answering your call, please just bear with me. The call is too many.
Hello, Mazikai.
Hello, my brother. Happy Sunday to you.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Good
morning. If I make it in, I say, I put up on good age, you go large since. No, man, Good morning, Jacob France. On the Maya, no, I make it in
Bapi 3 minutes.
Yeah, and they will. Good morning, Jenny, dear friends. Malachi,
yeah, brother.
No one the meaning of the genuine friends are very proud of you. Your analogy now they're very wonderful. In fact, in a can see a lot of people in a heal the wounds in a lot of people's hearts. You gotta go, and again, your analysis, it's like an eye to so many people.
Thank you.
Now, thank you very much. Now, coming to our brother from Delta State, from Abo, my brother, I thank God because now only meeting with the patients to listen to you and give you some, to help you in some ways. You see, when you listen to your Adandiala, this is the outcome of it. When you listen to the lies of the old, I'm sorry, I'm not insulting a human being, but I have to call a spade a spade. I told the woman to her face, and she said something in the national TV, and I told him that I'm a man, I'm older than him, than her. That the old fool called Ada Onu or Adanea. This is the outcome. You come out here and you tell the same lie that they told. BPM never said that you should not touch those who comes to kill us. She said that we should defend ourselves at all times, just like what Mazi Nandekano and Mazi Simon said. And we ourselves, we know that because you can't allow somebody who comes to kill you in your own house. No, you must defend yourself at all costs. You don't need to be told about that. So DPM said that those who come to kill us, we will deal with them the same measure they come with. But we don't have to kill the innocent ones. What is wrong in it? Even if they try to use your brain, Sonia Parawa and Chiamaka Ajere and the Fire Vision or the Remedios, even if they try to give you what you know that is not right, at least you are a human being. You're wise.
Thank you.
I heard you talking about children. That means if you have children, you know how to treat them. So use your own ideas, at least to analyze what they say. Use your own wisdom. That is a part. You see, they thank God for what happened yesterday. I think you was in our program yesterday with a humble lion and the Exodus. We always mention you. When we are discussing, I said that yesterday will be their last day. That magic or that stupidity that I don't know and Adandia like wants to do in break. Yesterday will be their final because they have played their final card. And the Biafrans, please put judgment on that.
They will start looking for Master Namonukano's wife or Master Prophet to come and.
No, those ones have come before. The kind of wife, ex-wife have come. The PMs this have come. They have used lawyer. So who else they will bring?
No, I mean
anyone they will bring now will be minor.
They are good in repeating class, falling back. They will fall back to. They will fall back to those people again to come and amplify what they're doing to have hope. Do you understand? So, I'm not here to tell them what to do, but they should know that everybody know what they want now, not like before. People know what they want, and COS have a role to play, and she's doing that. Like I said, if she's not, let's assume that it is true that she's not supporting men on ground. I will not be here pretend that she's doing that. Do you understand? I will not do that.
Yeah.
I will not be here pretend that she's doing that when I know that she's not doing that. That's not the fact. Anyway, continue, my brother.
Mazikai, in terms of men on ground, DPM said if there is any commander on ground that says or feels that what's supposed to get to them did not get to them, that they should go to the general of all generals.
Thank you.
She made it clear. And she said that they have been sending messages. That reminds me of what Commander Gento said. And this guy tried to put him that the Nokolo Fana and my brother. If you know what he's up for.
My brother, wait. There was no energy in Ghana. I forget those ones. Since Okuche that took one, have you seen any general that counter that statement?
Nobody. Rather him himself receives attack from other commanders as well.
Let us leave it there and continue. Forget about this often. Let's not forget about that one. Thank you. Thank you, my brother.
Beautiful. When them Biko continue what you're doing, then I will urge us Biafrans, genuine Biafrans. We cannot stop. Mazinan the canon that we know, listen to. Mazi Simon Epa that we know, listen to. We know the word, the message that they can put out. We know the message that we will listen to. When they talk, we know that they talk. Now, having said that, there is no way, no need going back. We can't do that.
Never at all.
Moving ahead is the key.
Yeah.
Consistency moving is the key. Now we have to preach this good news from door to door, neighbor to neighbor, person to person. We cannot relent on that.
Yeah.
The enemies, the tools that the Nigerian states are using are on the other side, telling lies. But thank God that every time they open their mouth to say that lies, they always hit rock, and it comes to their own disadvantage. Just like what I told Ada Onoifone, you know, and she begins to curse herself. And I told her, I'm a grandfather before you.
Okay.
In Igbo culture,
I don't want a voice. I don't want a voice. I think that this is a grandfather before. I think I'm not a voice here.
Well, yes. Yeah, may not be, but God made us strong, and we started very early. But even as at that, it's not done. Go and check it. So whatever she said, I've nullified it. And for the fact that Nurse Lassie at our own age, I must have to correct her because now onye ọbụla bụ abụ eje afịa nwaanyị ọbụla bụ abụ eje afịa ka o jele ọwụ na ifele emerie ifele ama mmemme ikorie n'aka ya. That is it. So thank you very much. Mazi, can I move for because now this guy put on call. I'm not busy. More than busy, but within the weekends like this, and I'm in the morning now. I'm joining up and connected. Then we keep on moving. Remind every Biafran, you know, what we say here on the social media or what we preach is part of it, part of the job.
Thank you.
But again, there's more one that we need to do, which is finance. We should continue contributing, donating your 1 naira, your 1 cent, your 1,000, your 550 euro, $50, whatever, 1,000, 1 million. Please donate it to New Dimension Mandate account. Always. New Dimension Mandate account, USB. New Dimension Mandate account, USB. That is where they are getting, men on ground are getting their message very well. And it helps in that decentralization that have been put in place. That will help Biafra in a very longer way. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. So we will pick this call and we end it now. This is the last caller. Hello.
Hello, Guy.
My brother. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, first of all, my brother, Kiss reporter clear something yesterday about what you said that our COS now come here, but after it will be the no I'm Kiss reporter, you know. Why everybody here will be clear everybody then I order him in it, dear my brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for that one, my brother. But bro, I just want to tell you, you are doing a great job, brother. I'm telling you, you are doing a very great job, you know, and exactly what you are doing since 2000, I don't know now, 5 years, is exactly our PM started doing, and people are following him. Please continue doing this, bro. Continue doing this.
Thank you.
Biafrans love you all over the world. They will follow you. You know, you see what happened yesterday?
Yeah.
You know, bro, please continue doing this. And I want to beg you, bro, if they called you or they just accept this. Because we love you, we want you. Continue doing this for sure, please. So I don't have too much to say. And Basara, please, Buko. So please, bro. Continue doing a good job. Biafrans love you. That's all I want to say.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. God bless you. If they called me. They called me. Oh my goodness. Well, to do what? My people, if I don't answer your call, please bear with me. Okay? I have to go to somewhere now. Thank you so much. And this is our brother from Italy. Hello. Please make it snappy, please.
Okay. I want to ask you, COS, why COS is working with Caterpillar? Because we go 247. I also follow him before on Twitter. He said that Caterpillar is the one that went to Iyamufu to stop the fight. So I want to know, because Caterpillar is the one that killed our people. Caterpillar with enemy. Caterpillar with enemy and the commander of Ibubago. So I just want to know why.
What is your question? What is your question?
Can you hear me?
What is exactly your question?
I'm asking why she work with Caterpillar.
She's
so
not...
why?
Continue.
She work with Caterpillar. You know, what they used to call him? Who go to 247 confirm it that Caterpillar is the one that stopped the fight.
Okay.
So,
okay, I don't have.
Why should you?
Hold on. I don't have enough time to go in detail with you on this one now. Yeah. So what will happen? I will save your number. Okay. Let me mark you. Let me see your logo. Okay. I will save this your number. Or just after this program, just tell me that you are the person that just called me last. Okay. Then
you can answer me now.
No, why?
So that because the whole world is they are watching so that we can
the whole world
clarify everything on social media. Not hidden. I don't do hidden thing. Let us clarify it because we go to 47. I've come out and say it that Caterpillar is the one that stopped the fight in Iyamufu. It go viral. Even small picking that they born 2 years ago. You know about it.
Okay, so, you are the guy that called before, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm the Agbo guy.
Okay. No. So now listen. I did not tell you that I am doing a hidden thing. What I want to say is that I will message you when I'm coming live to answer you live. Even if you want to, because it's the hidden, I will not accept it. Since you want to go through that. Why I said later, because I don't have time. I know who you are. I know people like you don't listen to simple explanation. People, you have to repeat it over and over before you sink it, because you have already concluded. You are here not to listen, to ask questions. You think that you are coming here to deliver me. It's a two different things. And I need time to go on that journey with you. But let me answer you straight. COS is not working. USB is not working with the Caterpillar. The issue is that some people in charge in Enugu called seeking for help. That people they are facing danger. They need backup, and there was nobody to support them. Nobody. Are you getting it? Nobody was ready to do that.
My brother, I don't believe that, because Ugo 247 is working with Ngozi Orabuzi.
So if you don't believe that, you don't believe you now.
Caterpillar is the one that stopped the fight. Why are you doing this kind of thing? Even those that be calling you. Saying manner of things. Nobody can confuse me. I know I'm right. I'm not a kid. I have a kid. I have children.
Jennifer,
which I can control. My children cannot control me. I know what is right and what is wrong. My brother, I want to advise you, please. Come back and do the right thing.
So I don't know. Let me end your call. Next time, if you want to call my program, I'm not good in talking like a market people. Go set a point and keep quiet. Hear the other person. Don't run like a broken. Don't start talk like a broken record. If you say something, go set the point. Then allow other people to help you on that. You cannot just be talking. Jennifer, you deleted your message. You said that I did not answer your call. How will I know that you are the one calling? Many people are calling. Jennifer Haberetua. I think that I don't know how to pronounce it, but Jennifer is what I know. I can see here. Please, Jennifer, you can just message me so I will know that you are the one, because a lot of people are calling. And after when I drop call, I have to pick another call. Okay. Now I don't have that time. To be honest with you, I'm rushing to somewhere. And this guy that called, what you need to understand, I don't. You think I'm like people that you are following. I'm not the kind of people that are following. Ike Jesu, please. I'm not taking call anymore, okay? Because I'm ready to somewhere. I'm trying to round up the program. Let me just conclude, okay? He said, okay, you are the one. Okay, let me answer you. Hello? Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. Hi.
Are you Jennifer?
No, this is Ike Baba.
Ike Baba. So Jennifer, you said you are the one. I don't know what you mean by you are the one. Are you the one that? Are you the Abo guy? Jennifer, please let me know. Okay. Ike Baba, just 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me end the program. Okay. 1 minute.
Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Kai, my brother. You know why I call back?
No.
I called because of the guy, the person that they just called now. You know, some people, we like to dig what is not relevant. I understand. And they will like to dig sometimes, we try to dig lie. Why I call back is that, is it the caterpillar is the problem of agitation of Biafra? The answer is no. Are you understand me?
Yeah.
The issue of Amufu.
Okay, Jennifer,
the issue of Amufu is the one that is saboteur among them themselves.
My brother,
our PA, through the time, I want to clear that person's story.
You don't need to waste. Listen. Don't be offended. You don't need to waste time on that. I know the kind of people. No matter what you say, this guy will never. He's not here to make common sense. No, he's here trying to.
Well, he said the truth, my brother. He said the truth, Jare. That is not the truth.
So he's not here.
I agree with you.
Don't waste your time on that. You think that I hang call on him because I think I don't know what to tell him. I know. You understand? But no matter, even if you bring evidence now, he will keep on telling you what he's saying now. That I'm not. He's an adult. He have children. You're giving anything important to cook. My brother, don't worry. Let us.
That is the truth. That is the truth.
I don't waste time.
Thank you so much.
I don't waste time on that. Okay. Thank you, brother.
But guys, see, they come this in life every time. In your life, this, especially Sunday when we get time. They're gonna give us time, even though so 5 hours. Which can't be this one?
Okay, don't worry. I will adjust.
They will be making time for us.
I will adjust. Trust me, I will adjust. Okay. Don't bear with me.
A lot of people today, try to listen and contribute 1 or 2 things with you.
I know.
Please try to make time with us.
I may come back. Just give me time. Let me complete what I'm supposed to do. Okay.
Okay, thank you. I love you so much. God bless you.
Thank you. Love you too. Thank you. Please, Jennifer accused me that I intentionally refused to answer her call. So that's why I have to prove to her that I am not like that.
Good morning.
Good morning, my sister. Nice to have you.
Yeah. Bless you.
And you too.
Okay.
And you too.
So let me not just take your time. It's just about this, because what the guy is saying about program that Ugo 247 said, I watched that program live. Okay. Ugo 247 gave an instance of Amufu. He said that the PM said, we don't have a permanent enemy, we don't have a permanent friend. Okay. That Caterpillar is a Biafran. He might be evil, but he has decided to change and wants to come out and say, I want to save my people. That we cannot say no because it's a Biafran. He gave the instance of Amufu, saying that, like when they called, if somebody could go and save them, can we stop it? That was what he said. I followed that program live. Okay. And second, what I want to add, people that are saying that COS is married to a Fulani man. Is Eziobika a Fulani name? Is Oradeze a Fulani name? Eziobika is her family name. Oradeze is her marital name. Okay. So where did Fulani come in? Like people said north. I grew up in the north. Okay. Outside girl. Does not that make me a Fulani woman?
There you go.
I schooled all through in the north. I grew all through in the north. I've lived in short. I am an Igbo woman, but I know If you call, there are places you call in Igbo land that I don't even know they exist because I grew up in the north. So I just want our people to leave this mentality. It's just like I have been in Europe for the past 30 years. Okay. When somebody now said, because, she has been in Europe for the past 30 years, she's not an African. Mm-hmm. I mean, of our people that I really want to claim, people said, thank you.
God bless you, my sister. Hi, I like I'm called. Got it very, very sharp. Thank you so much. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That COS is a Fulani person. This is that. These people can, you see, even if you bring DNA results and show them, they will tell you that COS, they will look for something to complain. They may tell you that the way she killed mosquito is too loud. That's when she clapped her hand trying to kill mosquito. That's not supposed to, that's not, in fact, she clapped her hand like Fulani people. Are you getting it? So it's not everything that you debunk. Sometimes you just allow them to live with their foolishness. That we are talking about it at all is for some of us that are not able to connect what is going on so that we will not fall inside the well. Many of them are already in the well, so you cannot rescue everybody. Some are meant to be there. That's not the fact. It's harsh truth. It's a painful truth. That is why sometimes if for me to talk to you, if I want to talk to you or anybody at all, if I want to address you, I would like to know how you present your question, how calm you can be, because there is no way you come with this spirit of Tibozobo and you want to learn something. No, it's not possible. Your aim is not the same thing with me. My own is to explain things. I'm actually willing to learn from you if you can convince me with a very clear information. Not knowing what I know, then you want me to fall and falling back department. What is actually pushing you to fall back? What are they doing to push you to fall back? Something push you forward because you want the person to be already declared and it has happened. Then they're not doing anything. They want to fall back. So ask them, what are they actually doing that will still push you back? Is it by watching every week you come? They will post a picture and Photoshop of having handshaking with what we don't know. This one said, Kai report, you have turned yourself to a also Mogu, William Oyeka. I would have called you, but this is your name, Oyeka. Some of you don't understand. You are so dundee, you are so blind. At the same time, you want to make comments. You want to say something. Even you have turned to yourself also. Your English be a Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. And like our brother said, we need to map out some time to go deeper. Bishop, I'm sorry. All of you, I'm seeing your calls. But please bear with me, okay? I may come back because of you people. And this our brother is calling from India, I believe. So see you again and God bless you all. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe. Bye bye for now. See you again.